Good morning, beautiful people. 1 week to go to Christmas, and therefore we are making today raw vegan Lebkuchen. I prepared 100 grams of soft dates, 90 grams of walnuts,
Hello.
90 grams of hazelnuts, and then 2 flat tablespoons of cacao powder, nice and bitter, 1 teaspoon of coconut butter or coconut oil, then 1 pinch of cardamom.
Oh, I thought that was finished.
1 pinch of ginger.
Ooh, okay.
Big pinch.
Oh, 1 pinch of maple syrup. Yay!
And a tiny teaspoon of maple syrup.
Then we
And
mix it
to
up.
make it sweeter, a pinch of sea salt.
And I cannot wait to make Lebkuchen. It's yummy.
Okay, you yeah, go, hold it. Okay, stop. Go higher and push.
Higher.
No, not yet.
This is awesome. Yeah. And my turn out sweet.
Okay, it smells already very Christmassy in
Can
here.
I smell it?
Yeah, when it comes out, just
I
wait.
cannot wait till Christmas is coming. Yeah, Christmas is just a little.
So these are going to be very simple
Lebkuchen.
Lebkuchen.
What is? So this is might be not simple, but I don't. Wait.
All right.
It's as fast as a mud machine.
Yeah.
Mud.
So
Yeah,
ideally
mud
again
machines.
would be a food processor. I don't have, so I just tried using my Vitamix, and it worked.
Is this all vegan?
That is raw vegan Lebkuchen. So
So you
then
like
I
coffee?
prepared a nice flat tray, and I put some.
And we don't need to make cookies anymore for
Foil.
Santa. We have Santa right here.
Santa's cookies. Yeah, he's gonna get raw vegan cookies and maybe some homemade
Gingerbread man's.
almond milk or something.
What about carrots for the reindeers?
Yeah, we get some carrots for the reindeers.
Don't we have to get 7 carrots? Maybe that. Let's take 7. Yeah.
Okay, nice and much
Alright.
there.
Okay.
No, no, no.
Now I know which.
Sure, tomato.
Are we gonna use this
Yep, yet, not yet.
Smells very nutty.
Yeah, there are lots of nuts inside, and the
Yes.
cardamom gives it a beautiful
Smell. Black
smell.
appearance.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the cacao. So the brown color is the cacao.
Already looks like
So
chocolate.
of course, if you don't have a tray, you can do the old-fashioned rolling, but I want to make it easy and fast. So I'm just spreading everything here.
Ooh.
Then we are going to close it up nicely.
And then roll it.
Just a second. Can already use our fingertips.
Oh, can I try?
Yes, of course.
Oh, I squash.
Okay, look here. Not squeeze. And now you can roll.
Can I help?
Yeah,
Okay.
you can roll.
Roll, roll, roll your boat down
Okay.
into the Lebkuchen.
Okay, come.
Yeah,
Wait.
that's a good one.
So ideally you keep it maybe for an hour in the refrigerator. Once this one is nice and cold, let's just demonstrate. You can take it out.
Wow.
Yeah.
Whoa. Looks
Yeah.
like flies in the jelly. It looks like meat.
No, it looks like a Lebkuchen.
And when it turns around, it looks like
Okay,
some meat.
let's flip it
But
around.
this is not a meat channel. It's it's a raw
Sorry.
vegan channel.
Okay, I just want to demonstrate. So this goes for 1 hour in the refrigerator.
Yeah, and
And
then
then
we can
later on, when it is nice and firm and stick together, you
eat.
can cut it.
Oh.
Not, yeah, let mommy do this. This is a super sharp knife, okay?
And then you could do one more time.
Yeah, you can cut it even 2 more times. But we
Two
will
more?
put it in the refrigerator before you can start eating. Okay? So you cut it. So if you like a little bit thicker consistency, you just can use a thicker tray. And then I prepared almonds. So I used boiled water and I just soaked my almonds for about 10 minutes, and now you can remove the skin. So this one is going to be a full one, and then you just decorate the raw vegan Lebkuchen. Okay, you get the idea. And then they're ready to be put on your table, or you can probably just eat them right away. Here we go. There they are. Beautiful, delicious raw vegan Lebkuchen. Have a beautiful day. Subscribe to my channel, and I see you very, very soon. Bye.